and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another painting to share with you from Aura Loa. I did unbox my first painting from them on my other channel, Add More Zest with Diamonds, so do bob over there. Link is in the description below if you want to see the full detailed look at the toolkit and a little bit of history about the company. I will give you a little rundown as I'm opening this one, but I do go into full detail in that video. But Aura Loa, apart from that first painting I got from them, I got a set of 3 sent at the same time. This is the second one. They are a small business, small family business company. There is 3 of them that run this company. They do high premium canvases and they only work with licensed artists. So as I say, I do go into full details and there are links on the company below. Let me get in the box. So this one, just to show you, I have got is Julie Bowie, Femme, Renard. This is a 60 by 60 painting in round diamonds. I go through all the details on what's in the box, the information sheet and everything on that first video. But I was very impressed with the first painting that I unboxed. This is the second one. This is my second biggest as well, and then I will have an unboxing coming soon of a smaller image. But this one is a 60 by 60 painting. This one is also in rounds, but isn't that gorgeous? I just thought it was beautiful. It has 56 different colours. 4 of those are ABs. 4 of those are AB colours, but it has the nice soft back to the canvas and it has the thickest plastic covering that I've seen. I don't remember unboxing another one with one this thick. I may have done, but it doesn't spring to mind. The symbols are really nice and clear. It takes me a minute to find some of them, but it always does. Always takes me a minute from the key to the chart to find them. But the size, that is a true 60 centimetres. And this way is a true 60 centimetres as well. So it is a true 60 by 60. You do get a really nice toolkit. Oh, this one has a different colour set of tweezers. So in my last one, I did unbox the toolkit and I had a pink set of tweezers, the spiky ones. In this one I have a blue set. Blue set of spiky tweezers. I like those. You do also get a pen, some multi-placers, you get your white tray, and you do also get some wax, which seems to have lost the lid. But you do get 3 pieces of wax. In my other one I did get a squishy. Maybe it's just got lost in this one, but that's fine because I do use resin pens. So you do get all those and you get the nice white boat tray. I pulled out all the bits for the toolkit in the other video as well. You get a sheet of instructions on how to diamond paint and some tips and tricks, and a little bit of welcome to Aura Loa. And you get your sticker sheet with a nice, there you go, that's probably a clearer image of the image. And we've got the artist and say Femme, Renard. They do ship all around the world. They ship to Europe from their French warehouse and they ship to the rest of the world from their Canadian warehouse. So they do have 2. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at the colours. I think on the side is the easiest way. We've got some gorgeous colours in here. Nice blues, greens, of course some oranges for that fox. Let's have a look at the ABs and their placement. Because I think any image with ABs can be nice if done right, if the added sparkle is in the right place. So let's get out the AB diamonds, of which we have 4. Yes. Check in that the 4 I pull out match the 4 on the key, which they do. So to start, we have 321 AB, which is a deep red. We've got a couple of little bits of this AB in the fox's ear. There's like 5 diamonds in there. We have a few little highlights within the girl's hair and also some down here. So again, just a scattering within the hair. We do have some that join it. So just to pull in, these are 666 AB and the symbol on that one is the H. So when we have these little bits that are the darker one, we also have a longer strain of the H, but actually it's like stripes throughout the hair, a bit like you can see them, the little darker parts that look like they're defining the fringe and where the hair is tied back, they are ABs. So it's not the whole head, it's a scattering throughout. There's also some down here and here, and then it does come down here onto the rest of her hair. So that's where your primary ABs are. In her hair we actually have some for her mouth as well. So the top of her lip is ABs, and then in relation to the little fox we have highlights in the ear that are ABs. We also have highlights in this ear, bringing in this colour, and we have some for the cheek, the top, the little spot here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. That is your main part. We then also have down here, where I think this is the rest of her hair, there is those stripes or line scattering of these 2 ABs in there as well. So basically highlighting the hair and the fox. We then have 740 AB, which is the letter P. That is actually in the hair as well. So while it's not all the hair, it is a good chunk of the hair and the bits in between. So it has actually got more in the hair than I thought. It's also got a little bit in her eyebrows. It'd be interesting to see how more ABs than not will look in her hair. That's my only query. It may look absolutely amazing, but there is 3 colours in the middle chunk of her hair that aren't AB, but then there is, oh no, there's 4 that aren't AB, but then there is 3 that are AB. So there's quite a lot of AB in her hair. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see if that much AB with the parts that aren't AB, whether it stands out the right way or not. For the fox, there is more AB in the actual fox's body, in the orange, brought in with the little bits of red, so you get that extra sparkle in the fox, and then again there's a little bit down here in there. So this is basically the hair and the fox. And then 56, which is the letter A, this is scattered in this background. So there's not big chunks of it here, that is scattered throughout this section. It is then scattered down here. It's also, there's a light scattering in here. There is a few in these designs that are near her face, but they're very much spaced out in those. There's not big blocks. It's spaced out in all these blue bits by the looks of it. Very scattered, but it is there. It's also here and up here. Again, it's scattered. It's also scattered in like, I see it as like coral up here as well. So there's quite a bit of a scattering. It's not coral, is it? It's got the coral look, but it's the flowers. It's scattered in these like blue flowers. There is a scattering of ABs. I quite like the scattering of ABs in those, but you never know until you see it. So if you can see where we've got the letter A, just the odd ones of the letter A are the ABs, whereas on the hair it's the letter P, which there's quite a lot of, the letter H and the plus symbol, which there's quite a bit of, that is the ABs. So it'd be interesting to see whether the light scattering in the background with the heavier scattering in the hair is a nice look for ABs. And a lot of it is personal preference. And I'm not going to pass judgment on whether it looks good or not until it's done, because I can't see it yet. But we shall see. But yeah, I will pop a link to this painting down below. I will also pop a discount code down below that does get you 15% off your order if you fancy treating yourself to an Aura Loa canvas. But thank you so much to Aura Loa for sending me this. I can't wait to work on one of them. I'm really excited to see what they are like when placing diamonds. But thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.